Check this out. Basically, I'm needing to do a little video to keep y'all updated on my progress. I am wearing this because I am sick right now. I didn't want my pathogens to jump off of me and into the interblog and come into your house and get you. So a couple great things on the agenda today. First of all, I'm moving out. Soon this background is going to look a lot different than it looks right now. Here's my lease, just signed it. Gonna be moving out in a couple weeks, so I'm excited, gonna be living alone again. This is definitely gonna lift my spirits. That's the front door. That's the back door. That's Mary Jo. That's a closet. Let it go back. Half asleep in Fog's pajamas, which is taking me way too long to read. It should be a super fast read. I've just been lazy as anything. And basically, I have learned that God the Father is a frog, that Jesus Christ is a tadpole, that the Holy Ghost is swamp gas, and that's all you need to know. Oh, and another thing, a lot of my videos are starting to be removed because a copyright owner is claiming content on them. Let's Dance on my Don't Mess with Texas video, which is now no longer on the air. Did the Ramones see it, or did some agent of the Ramones see it? Who exactly is it that cites you? Did YouTube figure that out? I sure hope they don't start looking at all my videos, because I've used a lot of music. Please don't report my videos. I won't do it anymore. Check this out. I think Budgie will like the reflective surfaces on the glasses. Hey, Budge, come here. Huh. Knew that you would. You're so predictable. Remove the chain, 'cause I'm off it. So I guess I can show you my eyes. They're not that bad, but I do feel rather gross. I'm gonna get better though, and my videos are gonna get better, and I'm just gonna try to keep it fun, and never, ever, ever let the creativity stop. Right, Budge? Ever. Never gonna stop being creative. Never, never, never till the day we die. Woo!